What if I told you the reason your compost takes months isn't time, it's imbalance? Right now, those dry leaves in your garden are sitting there, doing almost nothing. But the moment you fix one hidden mistake, decomposition doesn't just start, it accelerates. Before we talk about the solution, you need to understand why composting stays slow in the first place. 1. Why compost takes so long. Most people think composting is slow simply because nature takes time. But the real reason compost takes months has nothing to do with time itself. It has everything to do with balance. Dry leaves, especially fallen autumn leaves, are what we call a brown material. They are extremely rich in carbon. Carbon is important because it provides energy for microorganisms. But when carbon exists on its own, decomposition becomes painfully slow. Microbes cannot survive on carbon alone. It is like giving a human only rice with no protein or vitamins. There is energy, but there is no balance, so growth remains limited. Dry leaves also contain very little nitrogen. Nitrogen is the key nutrient that allows microorganisms to multiply rapidly. When nitrogen is missing, microbial populations stay small, and if the number of microbes is low, the breakdown process slows down dramatically. Composting is not magic. It is a biological reaction powered by billions of microscopic organisms eating, multiplying, and generating heat. If their food is incomplete, their activity remains weak. Another major problem is the lack of active microorganisms at the start. When you pile up dry leaves alone, you are waiting for natural microbes from the environment to slowly colonize the material. This takes time. Without a strong microbial population from the beginning, decomposition struggles to even begin. It becomes a waiting game. Moisture is the third critical factor. Microbes need water to survive and move. If the pile is too dry, biological activity almost stops. If it is too wet, oxygen disappears, and the pile can start to smell bad due to anaerobic conditions. The ideal compost pile feels like a squeezed sponge, moist, but not dripping. When carbon, nitrogen, microbes, oxygen, and moisture are in proper balance, composting transforms from a slow, frustrating process into a powerful biological engine. The moment you correct this imbalance, decomposition speeds up dramatically. Heat builds inside the pile, and leaves begin breaking down far faster than most gardeners ever expect. 2. The powerful liquid recipe. Now that you understand why composting slows down, the solution becomes clear. We do not need to wait for nature to correct the imbalance on its own. We can create the perfect conditions immediately. This is where the powerful compost-activating liquid comes in. Its purpose is simple: introduce active microorganisms, provide quick energy, and restore nitrogen balance all at once. The base of this liquid is clean water. Water acts as the carrier, allowing microbes to spread evenly through the compost pile and ensuring the leaves absorb the biological boost. Without proper moisture, even the best compost formula will fail. Water wakes everything up. Next comes jaggery or sugar. This is not added randomly. Sugar serves as an instant food source for beneficial microbes. Think of it as giving them an energy drink before they begin working. When microbes receive simple sugars, they multiply rapidly. A larger microbial population means faster decomposition and more heat production inside the compost pile. Then we add cow dung or mature compost. This is the true engine of the mixture. Cow dung and finished compost are rich in active microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and other decomposers that are already adapted to breaking down organic matter. By adding this, you are not waiting for microbes to appear naturally. you are introducing billions of them instantly. A handful of garden soil can also be included to diversify microbial life. Healthy soil contains a wide range of organisms that strengthen and stabilize the composting process. After mixing these ingredients thoroughly, allow the solution to sit for about 24 hours. During this time, microbial activity begins to rise. The mixture becomes biologically active, ready to accelerate decomposition the moment it touches the leaves. This is not a chemical shortcut. It is a natural biological boost that activates composting from day one and transforms slow decay into rapid breakdown. 3. How to apply it properly. Making the liquid is only half the process. How you apply it determines how fast and how efficiently your leaves break down. Even the most powerful compost activator will not work properly if the method is careless. Composting is a biological system, and like any system, it performs best when managed correctly. Start by reducing the size of the leaves. Whole, intact leaves take much longer to decompose because microorganisms can only attack the surface area. When you chop, crush, or shred the leaves, you dramatically increase the exposed surface. This gives microbes more access points, allowing them to work faster and more efficiently. Smaller pieces mean faster breakdown. Next, form your compost pile or fill your compost bin. Avoid compressing the material too tightly. Airflow is critical because most beneficial composting microbes require oxygen. If oxygen is limited, decomposition slows down and unpleasant odors may develop. Keep the structure loose enough for air to circulate while still holding moisture. Now apply the liquid evenly. Do not dump it in one spot. Pour gradually while turning the pile so that the solution spreads throughout the leaves. Every section should receive moisture and microbial contact. The goal is uniform activation, not patchy decomposition. Check the moisture level carefully. The pile should feel like a squeezed sponge, damp but not dripping. If water runs out when squeezed, it is too wet. If it feels dusty or dry, add a little more water. Balanced moisture keeps microbial activity strong and consistent. Turn the pile every 2 to 3 days. Turning introduces fresh oxygen and redistributes heat, ensuring that all parts of the pile decompose evenly. Within days, you should notice warmth inside the pile, softening leaves, and a darker color forming. These are clear signs that the composting engine is fully activated and working at high speed. 4. Why this method works faster. This method works faster because it removes the natural delays that slow composting down in the first place. In traditional composting, you are mostly waiting. You are waiting for microbes to arrive. You are waiting for nitrogen to balance out. You are waiting for moisture levels to stabilize. All of this can take weeks before real decomposition even begins. What this liquid does is eliminate the waiting phase and immediately activate the biological engine responsible for breaking down organic matter. Composting is essentially controlled decomposition driven by microorganisms. These microscopic organisms consume carbon-rich materials like dry leaves and convert them into simpler compounds. As they feed and multiply, they generate heat. That heat is a sign of intense microbial activity. In slow compost piles, this heat either builds very gradually or never reaches optimal levels because the microbial population is too small at the start. By introducing an already active community of microbes through the liquid mixture, you instantly multiply the workforce responsible for decomposition. The addition of sugar or jaggery plays another critical role. It provides a readily available energy source that allows microbes to reproduce rapidly. Instead of spending days adjusting to their new environment, they immediately begin feeding, multiplying, and producing heat. This quick surge in biological activity pushes the compost pile into its active phase much sooner than usual. Nitrogen is another key factor. Dry leaves are carbon-heavy, which slows microbial growth when left unbalanced. By adding materials like cow dung or mature compost, you correct the carbon-to-nitrogen ratio. A balanced ratio creates ideal conditions for microbes to thrive. When microbes have both carbon for energy and nitrogen for growth, decomposition accelerates dramatically. Moisture and aeration further enhance the process. The liquid ensures even moisture distribution, while turning the pile maintains oxygen flow. Oxygen supports aerobic microbes, which are far more efficient and produce less odor than anaerobic organisms. Aerobic decomposition generates consistent heat and faster breakdown. In simple terms, this method works faster because it does not rely on chance. It creates ideal biological conditions from the beginning. Instead of passively waiting for nature to act, you actively guide the process. You feed the microbes, multiply them, balance nutrients, and maintain proper moisture and oxygen levels. When all these factors align at once, composting shifts from a slow decay process into a rapid transformation system that produces rich, dark compost in a fraction of the usual time. 5. The bigger lesson. The real lesson here is not just about speeding up compost. It is about understanding how nature works and learning how to cooperate with it instead of fighting against it. Most gardeners focus only on the visible part of gardening, the plants, the flowers, the harvest. But the true power of any garden lies beneath the surface, in the soil. And soil is not just dirt. It is a living system filled with microorganisms, organic matter, nutrients, air, and water working together in balance. When we throw away leaves or burn them, we are discarding a valuable resource. Those dry leaves may look useless, but they are stored sunlight. Through photosynthesis, trees captured energy from the sun and locked it into those leaves in the form of carbon. Composting is the process of recycling that stored energy back into the soil, where it feeds new life. When you understand this cycle, you stop seeing waste. You start seeing potential. This method teaches something deeper than just making compost quickly. It shows that speed in gardening does not come from chemicals or shortcuts. It comes from understanding biology. When you feed microbes correctly, balance carbon and nitrogen, manage moisture, and provide oxygen, nature responds powerfully. You are not forcing growth. You are creating conditions where growth becomes inevitable. Healthy soil leads to stronger roots. Stronger roots lead to healthier plants. Healthier plants resist disease better, require fewer external inputs, and produce better yields. Everything begins with soil structure and microbial life. Fast compost is not just about saving time. It is about building a living foundation for your garden. There is also an environmental lesson here. Composting reduces waste, lowers the need for synthetic fertilizers, and improves water retention in soil. Rich compost increases soil's ability to hold moisture, which means less watering and greater resilience during dry periods. It improves texture, making heavy soil lighter and sandy soil more stable. Over time, consistent composting transforms even poor soil into fertile ground. When you learn to accelerate compost naturally, you gain control over one of the most important cycles in gardening. You stop depending on external inputs and start producing your own fertility. That independence changes how you see your garden. You move from being just a grower to being a soil builder. The bigger lesson is simple but powerful. Waste is a resource waiting for the right conditions. Once you understand the science behind decomposition, You unlock the ability to turn ordinary organic matter into extraordinary soil. And when your soil thrives, everything above it thrives as well. Before you burn another pile of leaves, think about this. What looks like waste today is tomorrow's richest soil. When you understand how decomposition really works, you stop waiting on nature and start working with it. You turn dry, lifeless leaves into living, breathing compost that feeds your entire garden. This isn't just about speed. It's about control. It's about building powerful soil from what others throw away. If you found value in this method, subscribe to Elias Garden Intelligence for practical, science-based gardening strategies that actually work. Like this video, share it with someone who still burns their leaves, and start transforming your garden from the ground up. Because great gardens don't start with plants, they start with soil.